Okay, so this is KILLERK's new gun, the battle rifle. It's a turret gun, which you wind back with the rubber band here, and it loads like that. He hasn't released instructions yet, but should release them in about a week. He showed me a couple pictures, and I was able to build it, so I'll show you how it works. And I'll be shooting some OODA ammo. And he designed the gun to use sniper rounds with like fins on them made of tape, but I haven't made any of those yet, so I'll make another video with those. So it doesn't fire that far with OODA ammo, but yeah, I'll show you. So you take your ammo and you wind up the gun like once. So then you put one ammo in like that, and it locks like that. So then you put in all the other ammo. So yep, that's loaded. So it's a nice firing pin. It has like a guide in here, and you pull it back and this will go into place, but it already is because it's the first shot. So I pull it back, it doesn't move. It's a nice trigger in here. So this is the first shot. Not that great. So then you pull it back again. Supposed to rotate. Oh, okay. See how it rotated instantly after the shot? So I have one here. When I fire it, it'll rotate. So this is, I don't know, 65 feet or something. It's shooting about 60, so it's pretty good. And the last shot. So hopefully instructions will be out, and it's a pretty cool gun.